Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Placement Guidance. So today I have come up with interview experience of one of the recently selected student at Infosys for the role of digital specialized engineer. So firstly, he has given an online test in which there was 3 coding questions. So out of which he has fully done one with all the test cases passed and the second one with half of the test cases passed. So after then he was selected for the virtual interview. So in this video we will see that what all questions were asked from him. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, and Infosys is hiring off campus for the role of DSE role and for SP role. So I already have uploaded that video. We'll share the link in the description. So don't miss this great opportunity. Apply fast for it. So now we will see what all questions have been asked from him. So the duration of his interview was around 1 hour 15 minutes. It was a technical round. There will be only one round. So he can ask you HR questions also or not. So if it not, so then it will be a technical round purely. So there was only one member. So the questions asked first, he asked to explain the projects which are mentioned in his resume. So make your resume strong. So the first project he has done in web development. So the questions he asked was what were the technologies he has used in that, and which database platform he has used in his project. Describe the process how he has create, manage and link your database with the front end, like how he has done the linking of his front end with the database. And he also asked that do you know about Ajax, and then he asked what were the problems you faced while doing the project. So this is the question that generally all interviewer ask, that what problem you faced during your project. So like make note of this question. And then he asked what is relational database, is your project based on the concept of relational database, what is foreign key. Just make the notes of this from the Geeks for Geeks, from all this Java point tutorial, from all this websites. And then he asked what is the difference between primary and unique key, how did you make your project work faster when you hosted your website, how did you fetch the data from database to the front end. Like if you have done something, so you should know it. Like it's not just that you don't know about that project and you have mentioned it in resume, because he can ask anything from that project. And then he asks what technique or method he has used to fasten the database queries. And the second project he has done in machine learning. And after the project he asked general questions from the different subjects. Like in Java, he asked what is the difference between inheritance and interface, can he give example between those. And then he asked what is virtual function in C++, what is abstraction, what is OSI layer in network. Like these are the basic questions that every interviewer asks. So these questions, like you should have make notes of this. So and then he asked like oops concept, what is the difference between semaphore and mutex, what is the algorithm used for the deadlock avoidance. So these are the questions that was asked from him from OS, because he mentioned his favorite subject, that OS and C++. So that's why he asked. If you will not mention OS, then like might be he cannot ask these questions from you. And then these are the 5 basic coding questions he has asked from him. Write the code to merge 2 arrays into one in sorted manner, like the merging of the 2 arrays. And second was the to swap 2 numbers without using temporary variable, like it's just a code of 3 lines. So, and the third he asked was the print the given string in reverse order, like you have to print the string in reverse order and write the code to check if the number is Armstrong or not. And the fifth was the palindrome number is given as input, you have to print the next minimum palindrome number. Like he has given one palindrome number 11, so you have to like print the next minimum palindrome number. So these are the programs that have asked from him. So then he asked that why are you interested in software engineer profile in general. And then he asked at the last that any questions you want to ask. So it is advisable to you that you should always ask a question. If he asks that do you have any questions, because it like create an impact on him that you are interested in this job. Don't worry, like it depends on the interviewer that what all questions he asks, because for some students it was just for 30 minutes and he doesn't ask about like the code and anything. He's just about like the software cycle and all. So don't worry, I will share the interview experience for other students also, like who are selected in this profile only. So hope you like the video. Thank you.